Hey everyone, welcome back to RenderSpad's video, and we are in part 8 of creating this 67 GT500 custom design. And so far we have done quite a bit. We've got the fenders done, our side vent added in, we've cleaned up the car, and now we've also added some new wheels. And now we're going to start focusing on the back side here, where we're going to strip all this down, we're going to clean it up, and then we're going to start adding our own components, or a component, and that's pretty much the tail lamp. So let's start to put that in. All right, I got a general idea of what I want to work with here. So I'm just going to focus on now just adding some more edges here so we get a little bit of detail towards that light beam, or the reflector part. And then we're just going to get an inset going here where we can start having the internal reflector there, so that will help bring out that red reflector material. Alright, let's have a look here what we have so far, and I'm liking the way this is going. It's a little light bar that comes across and then it just angles down. Has a really cool, unique look to it. Something a little bit modern, and it just kind of ties in nicely with the back the element there, the black section of it. I just like the way that how this light comes out like that. That looks cool. Alright, so let's add a material to this. So what I'm thinking of doing is just selecting this component here. Okay, the little back plate there, that's black, glossy black. We're going to put that edge right there. We're just going to take that part of the body or that element and just make it black as well. Give it a second to update, and there we go. Okay, let's just fix something here. See if I can refresh. Okay, so I'm going to just go over to, yes, I need to just make sure these cores are going. It feels a little bit slow at the moment. Okay. So yeah, you can just imagine how this, if this light bar would be lit up in red glow, a nice red glow to it, that it would actually look pretty cool. So what we got to do now is just try to add a little bit of thickness. So I'm going to use a shell modifier to add some thickness to the glass. This way the material will apply correctly. Okay. So let's use the inner amount. We're going to just bring this to 0.003. 0.03. Might be a little bit too thick, so let's bring that down to 0.003. Yeah, it seems better. Alright, let's try to add some glass reflector to this light bar here, or the glass part of it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a little bit of a darker glass material to the reverse lamps there, and then I'm just going to fix, there's a little issue here with the symmetry of the inner sections of the tail lamp. So what we're going to do is bring these guys out a little bit more and make sure everything kind of welds up nice. So let's have a render and see what we up against here. Alright, so everything is now welded and looks correct, and we got that intersection of the tail lamp. It's kind of like we're going to use that as like a silver or something that will bring out that red reflector. But yeah, it gives you a good idea of kind of how I want that the back end to shape out here. So let's unhide that reflector. And yeah, this is looking great. Nice and clean. Very cool. A little bit of a modern touch. Let's bring this render view out a little bit more so you get a good glance at what has been created here. Whoop, got a little snap issue here. I'll bring that back, a little dock issue. It's a little snappy. Okay, so yeah guys, this is looking really good. I'm really liking this. I didn't want to do too much to the back. I just wanted to clean it up a bit, and I feel like this fits the design. Let me know in the comments below if you guys had any suggestions on that on the back end of this this GT500, but I just got to fix a little bit in that area there still. But wow, it's coming along very nicely. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video, and you look forward to seeing the next part where we're going to start to work on a little bit more of that the rocker panel there and do more of a blend. And then we're going to start getting the paint, the car paint in there, do some final touches, and we are going to start to see this car all come together. Well everyone, that will conclude this video for today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video where we're going to start to put in some more elements like the paint and all that. So it's going to be really cool. So stick with me. Hope to see you again. And bye for now, guys. Thank you.